In this video, you will learn about the dynamic markings in music. There are a variety of musical symbols. Some indicate dynamics of a note or a phrase, and some are different articulations of a note. An articulation is how a note is sounded. Dynamics are the symbols that indicate the loudness of a note or a phrase. The two basic dynamic indications in music are piano, abbreviated as P, means quiet or soft. Forte, abbreviated as F, means loud. More subtle degrees of loudness or softness are mezzo piano, abbreviated as MP, means moderately quiet. Mezzo forte, abbreviated as MF, means moderately loud. Piu piano, abbreviated as PIUP, means more quieter. Piu forte, abbreviated as PIUF, means more louder. Use of up to 3 consecutive Fs or Ps is also common. 2 Ps, short for pianissimo, means very quiet. 3 Ps, said as triple piano, is short for pianississimo and means very, very quiet. 2 Fs, short for fortissimo, means very loud. 3 Fs, said as triple forte, is short for fortississimo and means very, very loud. Sudden dynamic changes are often indicated by using subito, which means suddenly. Subito piano, abbreviated as SUB.P, means suddenly soft. This implies a quick, almost abrupt reduction in volume. In contrast, subito forte, abbreviated as SUB.F, means suddenly loud. This implies a quick, almost abrupt increase in volume. Sforzando, abbreviated as SFZ, means forced. It denotes an abrupt, fierce accent on a single note or a chord. Fortepiano, abbreviated as FP, indicates that the note is to be played with a loud attack and then suddenly become soft. 3 Italian words are used to show gradual changes in volume. Crescendo means growing or increasing and is abbreviated as CRESC. So when playing this, you gradually play louder. You might also see this symbol, which also means to crescendo. Decrescendo means decreasing and is abbreviated as DECRESC. So when playing this, you gradually play quieter. You might also see this symbol, which also means decrescendo. Diminuendo, abbreviated as DIM. Translates as diminishing. It also means gradually play quieter. Niente, abbreviated as N or N. Means nothing. No, it actually means the word nothing. It can be used at the beginning of a crescendo to indicate to start from nothing, or at the end of a diminuendo to indicate fading out to nothing. A note accented is played louder than the surrounding notes. A marcato marking indicates that the note should be played louder or more forcefully than a note with a regular accent. Other note articulations. Staccato indicates that the note should be played shorter than notated, usually half the value, leaving the rest of the metric value silent. Staccatissimo indicates that the note should be played even shorter than staccato. Legato indicates that the notes are to be played or sung smoothly and connected. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.